Hi guys, my name is Perfect and I welcome you to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do mensuration, focusing mainly on calculating the volume of a cube, cylinder and a sphere. And I have a question with me here which says a cylindrical hole of radius 3 centimeters was drilled completely through a metal cube of side 15 centimeters in a direction perpendicular to one of the faces of the cube as shown above. So this is our diagram here, and the sides of our cube are 15 centimeters each, and this is the point where the hole was drilled, and the hole is in cylindrical shape. So our first question is saying calculate the volume of the metal removed. So we're going to use this part which is a cylinder. So the formula for the volume of the cylinder is pi r squared times height. Pi r squared height. So in this case, we are using pi as 3.142. So 3.142 times our radius is 3 centimeters, and we're going to square it, and times our height is 15. So here is 3.142 times 3 squared is 9 times 15. So let us punch this on the calculator. So 15 times 9 times 3.142. So this gives us 424.17 cubic centimeters. But let us round off this to 3SF. So 1, 2, 3, and you look at this and it below 5, so it remains 224 cubic centimeters. So this is our answer for the volume of the metal removed. And then part 2 says express the volume of the metal removed as a percentage of the volume of the original cube. So what you do here is you divide the volume of the removed metal by the volume of the cube times 100%. But let us find the volume of the cube first. So the formula for the volume of the cube is volume of the cube is equals to x cubed, where x is the any side of the cube. So v is equals to, here we have 15 because the cube has equal sides. So it's 15 cubed, or 15 times 15 times 15. So our volume here is that's 15 times 15 times 15. So it's 3,375. 3,375 cubic centimeters. So this is our volume for the cube. And now let us write down 224 divided by 3,375 times 100%. So here it's 424 divided by 3,375 times 100%. So we are getting 12.5629. So rounding off this to 3SF is 1, 2, 3, and it becomes 12.6%. So this is our answer for part 2. And the part 3 says calculate the volume of the remaining metal. So to get the volume of the remaining metal, you subtract the volume of the removed part from the volume of the whole cube. So the volume of the whole cube, let me write the formula here. So we say the volume of the cube minus volume of the cylinder. So here the volume of the cube is 3,375 minus 424. 424 cubic centimeters. So 3,375 minus 424. It gives us 2,951 cubic centimeters. So this is our answer. And the fourth part is saying all metal removed was melted into 45 identical solid spheres. Calculate the radius of each sphere. So let me rub off this. So our first step here is to check the volume of the removed part, which is a cylinder. We have calculated it and we've got 424. And we are going to divide it by 45, the number of spheres. So here we are doing this to get the volume of a single sphere. So 424 divided by 45. So we are getting 9.4222. So this is the volume of a single sphere. So now our next step is we have to calculate the radius of each sphere. So the formula for the volume of a sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So here we have 4 over 3 times, we are using 3.142 times the radius r cubed. This is the radius we are calculating, is equals to this volume of the single sphere. And now let us simplify. So 4 times 3.142, here we are getting 12.568. So divided by 3, here we have r cubed is equals to 9.4222. And let us cross multiply here. So we say 1 times 12.568 r cubed is 12.568 r cubed is equals to 9.4222 times 3. We are getting 28.2666, and we divide both sides by 12.568, so that on the left hand side we can be left with r cubed. So here r cubed is equals to 28.2666 divided by 12.568. So we are getting 2.249. So here we have to remain with r only, not the cube. So we are going to cube root both sides to get rid of the cube. So now we have r on the left hand side. So the cube root of 2.2490. Let me use the different calculator. So 2.2490. We are getting 1.3101. So 3 SF, we get 123. So it remains 1.31. So this is the radius of each sphere. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And share with friends and families, and comment down below the topics you want me to cover for you. And also check out this video up here. That's where I covered how to solve simultaneous equations using substitution method. I'll see you in the next one.